Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to turn on Do Not Disturb in BigoLive. First of all, launch open the BigoLive application on your device and log into your account. After you're signed into the home page, click on the Me button at the bottom right corner. From the Me menu that pops up on the screen, tap on the Gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, click on Privacy. Under Privacy, you'll see Do Not Disturb option from strangers. Go ahead and turn off the button right next to it and click on Open, and then you'll be able to turn on Do Not Disturb on BigoLive. If you don't see the Do Not Disturb option, then make sure to update your BigoLive application to the latest version. This Do Not Disturb feature only affects Bigo notifications, not your entire phone. So that's how you easily turn on Do Not Disturb on BigoLive. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.